And I've got my garlic sitting on my...
Hi, I'm Saul. I'm a professional chef, and these are my $248 breakfast taco ingredients.
Hi, I'm Lorenzo. I'm a home cook, and these are my $15 breakfast taco ingredients. No.
I can work with this. I was planning on making a crispy duck carnitas breakfast tacos
Is that a chicken? That's not a chicken.
with smoky chipotle hollandaise
Oh, I love this butter.
and soft scrambled eggs with queso quesadilla, all served in a homemade flour tortillas
It looks like I have to make my own tortillas.
with a charred mango and habanero salsa,
I have no idea what these are, but I'm sure they're hot as heck.
and a jar of my mother's sal de chinicuil,
Oh, that's nice.
which is a salt made out of agave worms, chile de árbol, and salt, which I'm sure Lorenzo never had before. With Lorenzo's recipe, I have ingredients that you normally find on your kitchen or on your local store. This might be on the simpler side, but with a little bit of technique and a lot of creativity, they will be delicious. So my favorite ingredient out of this basket, it would be the eggless best. These are the eggs that I use at home all the time. I do bake a lot of eggs. I have 3 kids, and the 3 kids, they eat the eggs differently. I'm an expert.
Who says that?
If I had to guess, this might cost about $19.50. $15? Wow.
So if I had to guess how much this all was, $198 is popping into my head? Wow, where? So here is Chef Saul's recipe book. Crispy duck carnitas with smoky chipotle, hollandaise sauce, and soft scrambled eggs. I have never made a carnita before. I think I've eaten it once. I do not have any experience cooking a duck.
Lorenzo, I know you're a good cook. You got this.
You know, what's the worst thing that can happen? Let's start this duck carnitas.
So Lorenzo, you have a beautiful whole duck in front of you. You're gonna split it in half.
We've got 2 lovely jubblies.
The duck breast, you're gonna cut it in half.
That's what you get when you have a nice knife. Okay.
Once you butcher your duck, you're gonna put it into a bowl, season it with salt, pepper. You're gonna get a pot, put some duck fat and pork lard.
The combo is cool. Why not?
You're gonna make it really hot. Add your duck.
The smell that's coming off of this already is yum, yum, yum. Okay.
So you make sure you get nice and golden duck.
Ooh, that's exactly what I'm looking for.
Now you're going to lower the heat. You're gonna add onion, garlic,
Black peppercorns.
bay leaves, thyme,
Woo!
orange.
Okay, I'm safe. I thought it was gonna get me.
And then after that, you're gonna add some Coca-Cola. What I love about the Mexican Coca-Cola is it's made out of sugar cane. That's gonna help give more color and flavor to the duck carnitas. And evaporate milk. It helps tenderize the meat a little bit, and it also adds another level of sweetness.
45 minutes on low. Next.
So the taco that Lorenzo was gonna make for breakfast tacos is gonna be egg and sausage. I think I'm gonna do something new. A cheesy hash brown breakfast taco with an open face omelette, cilantro crema, and the first step, stew sausage salsa. So what I'm doing, I'm removing the casing of the breakfast sausage. Oil. I want like little chunks of sausage. Now this is something that we do in Mexican gastronomy. We use chorizo. We do like a chorizo stew. And here I have to use what I have, which is nothing. Die.
I am about to make Chef Saul's charred mango habanero salsa. Let's get slicing. 1 ringy-dingy, 2 ringy-dingy. I love mango. So I'm gonna go around the seed. I probably didn't touch it. Didn't touch the seed, so that was nice. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Should be hot enough. Ooh, I'm just gonna get a little char there. Ooh, I actually boiled my carrots already. You guys go on there too. And, ooh, Chihuahua, these hot habanero, ooh, they're hot. Chef Saul definitely knows how to layer levels of flavor. Okay, these look absolutely delicious. I am gonna pull these guys off. Oh my gosh, I could just eat that right now. My mango and my veggies look fantastic. They're charred, they're great.
And now I'm gonna do some caramelized onions. That looks good. Now I'm gonna throw some onions. I know I always tell you to cook with love and here and there, but you know what? It's okay. Relieve your stress. Nothing is perfect in this life. I think this is gonna be great. Salsa verde mild. Mild? Really? I feel good about this. Proud of Mexico. Huh? New Mexico, you mean?
I'm gonna mix it up. Lovely onion and garlic, carrots. Boop. This is gonna provide some serious juiciness in this salsa. Yeah. Okay, now it's a little thick. I'm definitely going to add organic white vinegar. Smidge of salt. Oh. Wow! I went wow because it's hot, but it's also delicious. My charred mango habanero salsa. I did it.
Need some kind of spicy, so I'm gonna put black pepper. It tastes delicious. Okay, I'm not gonna cook it any more longer because when you cook a sauce for a longer period of time, it becomes salty. I didn't add no salt because I don't want this to be salty. And there you have it, my stew sausage salsa verde with caramelized onions and breakfast sausage.
I am about to make hollandaise sauce.
So Lorenzo is going to be making a smoky chipotle hollandaise sauce. Get ready because you're going to sweat.
I have to clarify my butter first.
Clarified butter is when you separate milk solids and butter fat.
So I'm just gonna easily skim the top until the butter is completely clear.
Okay, so Lorenzo sent me some sour cream and cilantro, so you know what's coming. Cilantro crema. This is just like a fun way to make you crema a little bit more excited. So I'm using the stamps just to add more flavor, okay? So I'm going to puree all this. A little bit of water.
I have clarified the butter, folks. I think it's time to start my hollandaise. I am going to add my egg yolks into my bowl, my chipotle chiles, my sugar, lemon juice. Okay, and a pinch of salt, actually. Hold on to your hats, folks. We're gonna be whisking for quite a bit of time. Double boiler, and I'm gonna use a teeny bit of hot water. I can't forget to keep whisking.
So that was pretty easy.
Okay, you guys, you're lucky I'm ambidextrous, I'm telling you. Here we go. Oh, I'm whipping it up, so it's definitely getting a little thicker. No breaks. Ah, ah.
Okay, so I'm adding the cilantro here, and the reason why I didn't put it on the blender because I didn't want it to be too liquidy. And there you have it, my cilantro crema.
I'm gonna make you proud, Chef Saúl. That's nice. It's not biting me. Okay, hollandaise sauce.
Lorenzo was planning on making scrambled eggs. In this case, I'm gonna make open face omelet because I want to be the omelet the same size as the tortilla. So every time you get a bite, the egg is there, the cheese is there, the hash brown, everything is there. So I'm gonna show you how to crack an egg with one hand. Basically, you're gonna use these 3 fingers. You crack it from one side in the middle, and then when you open it, you kind of just flip it. And you have to make the noise. Otherwise, it won't work. Watch. 1, 2, see? But here I have to do it in slow motion. Some black pepper, a little bit of salt, just a little bit, not a lot. The more you whip them, the more it will be fluffy and soft. Just like Lorenzo was doing the hollandaise.
Oh my God, thanks!
And then, you wanna see bubbles in there. Now I'm gonna add some cilantro. That used to give a little bit of color and also some freshness too. And sour cream. Sour cream is gonna make it a little bit more creamy.
I'm going to a part that I know how to do. I'm making soft scrambled eggs. I'm just going to break up 4 of these eggs into my bowl. Whisk up these eggs. A little bit of heavy cream. Gonna add a little salt. A tablespoon of butter. I'm going to constantly stir my eggs. You're cooking it low and slow. That's the scrambled egg I like right there.
Thank you for my Monterey cheese, Lorenzo. The flavor about this Monterey cheese is cow's milk. It's salty. It's very flavorful. The classic cheese that we use back home in Mexico is queso Chihuahua. In Chihuahua, it's the state where it's made. It's not Chihuahua cheese. So here's my cheese. I'm gonna use it for my omelette, and I'm also gonna use it for something else.
So I'm gonna add a bit of cheese. And guess what, folks? I like a lot of cheese. Patience with the eggs. Okay, I think the soft scrambled eggs have been complete. Yeah, look at that cheesy scrambled eggs. There you go.
Okay, let's make this omelette. We're doing 2. So there we go. So we're just gonna move it to the sides. Open face means I'm not going to fold it. I'm gonna cover it with this. A little bit. We're gonna wait there so it cooks evenly. Low heat, very important. Now we're gonna add a little bit of cheese. Layers of love, layers of flavor. Ah, look at this. Ah, so pretty. Let's do another one. Just cover it. Okay, that's it. And there you have open face omelette for my breakfast tacos.
Homemade tortillas, folks.
Okay, Lorenzo, let's talk tortillas. It's just like pizza dough. You have a bad pizza dough, you have a really bad pizza.
Let's open this up, I guess.
When you make these flour tortillas, you're gonna need all-purpose flour, pork lard, salt, and water.
I'm just incorporating the lard really now.
We want a smooth dough.
And it shouldn't stick to my hand, I know that.
That's a good sign that your dough is almost ready.
So I'm just gonna knead this a little bit. I'm gonna put you back in here.
Put it on the side, let it sit for 15 minutes. Now you're just gonna cut it into 8 little rounds.
1.
Let it sit again, and then you're gonna stretch it with your rolling pin.
Ta-da!
So Lorenzo sent me these corn tortillas. I'm going to fry these and give the crispiness texture that I need for my breakfast tacos. But Chef Saul, if you're not using the tortilla as a tortilla, what are you going to do as a tortilla shell? Just watch, keep watching. This is not over yet. So now I'm going to make some tortilla strips, fry them. Let's get rid of all the bad energies. No more bad energies. This is what the Aztecs used to do. And then dump. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Beauty. Sprinkle some salt. All right, my tortilla strips are done. Now we can focus on the tortilla.
I've got a cast iron skillet, no oil whatsoever.
Cook it on the grill for like 30 seconds each side. Keep eye on them, make sure like nice and white and with nice brown dots.
Now I can see bubblies. That's how I want it. See that? That's how I like it. Tortillas are done. I'm ready to make some tacos.
So Lorenzo got me these hash browns. I'm gonna be using these to make my own tortilla. Push the oil to that side and then do the potatoes here. And then back. So I don't splash oil into my lovely body. And the way how we're gonna make this into a tortilla, we're gonna do the cheese trick. Ah, voila.
Okay, look at this beautiful, beautiful duck. This is a duck leg. It's literally falling apart on me. Okay, that's the skin. Tender, as tender can be, but crispy bits. I'm gonna actually chop it up in little bits, and then I'm gonna put a little bit in with the meat and then sear it all together. Add you in, mix you up, sear it up.
Okay, let's see the other side. Oh, hello tortilla. Look how lovely that looks. Let's do the other one. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Hash brown cheese tortillas are done.
It is time to sear. No oil is necessary. The aroma that's coming off of this duck. It's beautiful. It's ready, Freddy.
Okay, so now I'm going to prep some garnishes for my breakfast taco. Every time you do this, make sure you don't look at what you're doing. Okay, now the onion. Oh my gosh!
Okay, I'm just gonna chop this a little bit of chives up, folks. Hey, oh, sorry. Cilantro macho.
The reason why I like the cilantro because it has a stronger flavor of cilantro and it looks cool.
Wow, that's beautiful.
And agave worms are delicious. And they have that agave earthy taste.
There's agave worm in this. Get out. Thank you, Saúl's mom. Let's play.
All right, so let's make this happen before this gets too cold. My hash brown cheese tortilla. Now I'm gonna add this number 2 step. We're gonna add some cilantro here because this looks very sad, but now it's not sad anymore. And now we're gonna add some of this stew with sausage, tomatillo sauce.
I'm gonna start off with a little bit of duck, scrambled egg with queso. Oh, my hollandaise sauce. What a breeze that was, guys. My charred mango habanero salsa. Wow, 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 wow. This is salt, peppers, and the agave worm. Holy agave. It's yummy, but it's telling me it's there to stay. Cilantro macho. And then my lovely chives.
The crema is gonna add some freshness to the dish. A little bit of tortilla, because a taco without tortilla, it's not a taco. Onions. This looks like an art. Cilantro leaves. Again, if you're not a cilantro lover, don't watch this. And here are my breakfast tacos. Hash brown and cheese tortilla shell, open-faced omelette with salsa verde and sausage sauce, crema and cilantro, and crispy tortillas.
And let's do number 2. And scallions, sal de gusano. So this is my take on Chef Saúl's breakfast taco recipe.
Amazing!
What's up, what's up?
What's going on, brother?
Saúl! Yeah, Saúl in the house. Woo, woo, woo.
Oh,
Wow, oh, wow. That looks fantastic.
it looks like a Michelin star tacos. You know, you have the plate, it looks rustic, it looks authentic, it looks great.
That is the nicest thing.
Good job.
You are very inventive. You're very creative, bro. That's all I have to say. That looks delicious. I'm going down. Oh, dude. That is something else.
Wow.
That is so cool. Did you do anything to the sausage? It's yummy as heck.
I did a salsa with the sausage. With the mild tomatillo that I got. Next time, throw me a pepper. Pepper.
It's really good, bro.
It's great. Oh, see, now we're talking.
That's a lot.
That's not enough.
Really?
Come on.
Okay.
Wow.
That's yummy. Saúl, I spent a little time making yours.
By the way, it looks great.
Yeah.
Looks unique, looks clean. My taco, you couldn't even hold it. Fall apart. This is delicious.
Oh my God, the duck.
I think it's you. You make this great.
It's good, you guys.
What I'm tasting now in this taco, it's just like different types of chilies. Like smoky chili, and the tortilla, it's sweet.
I'm surprised that you put sugar.
Yeah, I mean, when you make something spicy, spicy and sweet is good.
Yeah.
Spicy and sweet, always good together.
Cut.